I was allergic to the need for medical attention when you said, ow.
A robotic nurse.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your pain? Physical or emotional? I will scan you now. Scan complete. You have a slight epidermal abrasion on your forearm. I suggest an antibacterial spray.
Whoa. What's in the spray specifically?
The primary ingredient is bacitracin.
Bummer. I'm actually allergic to that.
You are not allergic to bacitracin. You do have a mild allergy to peanuts.
Not bad. You've done some serious coding on this thing, huh?
Programming with over 10,000 medical procedures. This chip is what makes famous. Hey.
Bio?
Yeah, going for a non-threatening, huggable kind of thing.
Looks like a walking marshmallow. No offense.
I am a robot. I cannot be offended.
Hyperspectral cameras?
Yep.
Huh. Titanium skeleton.
Carbon fiber.
Right. Even lighter. Killer actuators. Where did you get those?
Machine them right here in-house.
Really?
Yep. We can lift 1,000 pounds.
You have been a good boy. Have a lollipop. I cannot